Alright, this is the 12469 Radio Shack. This white one here, kind of known as the popcorn effect. Hello? Is there anyone around that would like to talk? Everyone? Can you tell me your name?
It's about and it can't
Can you guys look around and give me a number? How many are around?
You know?
You know what?
So we'll take you in the mind.
For this radio.
Hey, cranking up.
I heard white, that's correct.
They're just
I'm going to be posting this video for others to see. Do you have any message for anyone watching?
two runners. There's no.
You guys have a message for me?
Team. You know the.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close out now. I'm going to close out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you. Bye.